In this video, we are going to discuss about how to boot Raspberry Pi with Ubuntu 24.10 operating system by using RPi Imager software. So first, we will be installing RPi Image software using our terminal. So this is the terminal command. We will copy paste this into our terminal. So it is getting downloaded. We will just give the password. So it's fast forwarded video. So it is got downloaded, then we can find it in the apps. So it is here, this imager. Then we will choose our operating system, whatever operating system we want. So we'll come here, we'll choose this operating system. Here Ubuntu, this Ubuntu have multiple options. We can choose Ubuntu 24.10. This is the latest one. We have other versions, other late versions as well, but I choose the latest one, 24.10. This is 64-bit. Choose the storage device. This SD card is already connected. I will select this. Then we will just press right. Yes, we can clean all this data in this 64 GB SD card. Then just give the password. That's all. Then it will do this installation and verification. This is fast forwarded video. This will take at least like 20 minutes based on the network speed and laptop power. So this is completely done. Now I will remove this SD card from the system. Then I will be adding this to my Raspberry Pi. So I am providing power to the Raspberry Pi using a USB-C cable which is connected to a power bank. And these two LEDs in the Raspberry Pi, like red and green LED, this indicate this green LED is blinking. That means it detected a boot file inside this SD card. So this is in the booting process. This is a fast forwarded version of the video. So in the actual case, it could take like little bit more time. So it is booted into this Ubuntu screen. So it is waiting for the system configuration page. Yes, we reached to the system configuration page. But currently here Ubuntu is not supporting the touch screen out of the box. But we have to do some installation to set it up in the later stage. So for now I am just using this mouse to get around this stage. So I choose this language as English. Next is like keyboard style. This we can select any keyboard style. I going forward with US keyboard style. Then connecting to the network. This I can skip for now and I can connect later directly. Just give our location and username and set a password and everything. Then it is done.